asking me for a while if I have some kind of structured course for absolute beginners to take you from the start of your guitar journey through to a stage where you can actually play songs in front of people and have some fun with it. I'm very, very excited and very happy to say that now I do. I have put together a beginner's course, which I'm releasing today. It covers 20 video lessons that include the very, very basics, from how to make a solid sound on your guitar, how to hold the guitar, how to make a solid sound, learning chords. You're going to learn your basic chords. It'll take you through bar chords, and it includes my 3-part strumming series, which will actually teach you in very, very easy steps how to strum any rhythm to any song naturally and easily. So you won't actually even need to think about it after a while. It's a very, very natural process. There's no memorizing down, down, up, 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 down patterns. It's easy, it's natural. It's gonna get you playing beautiful rhythms very, very quickly. You're gonna learn how to use a capo, where to put a capo without just trying to do the guesswork to trying to figure out where the best place to put a capo is for easy chords. You're gonna learn how to do that in a very logical way. It includes pentatonic scales. All you need to know about pentatonic scales, it includes the major scale as well, which are kind of the two really big scales that you need to start with when you're playing guitar. It's going to cover all of that. Power chords as well, they're all covered. By the end of this course, you are going to be able to play at least 13 songs very, very well. They are not difficult songs, but they sound great. You're going to be able to play them confidently and easily, and everybody that gets this course has the ability to shoot me a message absolutely free of charge and ask me for clarification or advice or anything at all. And if you want to tee up private lessons after that, that's absolutely possible as well. So get online, follow the link down below. For the next week, because this is my birthday week as well, I am giving this course for a 50% discount. So normally it's going to be $20, which in itself is a super cheap price. You're going to get 20 video lessons. You're going to get 15 separate charts all together in the one download. Easy, get started right from scratch. You can skip over the first few lessons if you're not an absolute beginner, but this will take you from knowing absolutely nothing to being able to play a whole bunch of songs and get a really solid start on your guitar playing journey. So take the coupon code down below. Use that for a 50% discount. So it's not going to be $20, it's going to be $10 for you for the next week. And ask me anything you like. Let's get started.